Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. We will discuss Total Productive Maintenance TPM. Total Productive Maintenance TPM is a systematic way of managing machines and equipment to improve their performance and lifespan. It focuses on preventing breakdowns and maximizing the efficiency of the equipment we use. It promotes efficient asset management through the shared participation of every employee, not just the maintenance staff. When applied consistently, TPM has the potential to boost efficiency, quality, and productivity while reinforcing workplace safety and collective responsibility. In TPM, everyone contributes to a safe, productive workplace by carrying out regular inspections, predictive maintenance tasks, and equipment checks. Everyone who works with the machines gets involved in their upkeep. TPM is all about being proactive. Instead of waiting for something to break down, it is best to take steps to prevent it from happening. This saves time and money while helping businesses run more smoothly. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. By catching small problems early on and fixing them, we can avoid costly repairs and keep the machines running at their best. Let us think of TPM as taking care of our car. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and inspections keep the vehicle running and help prevent any major problems. TPM does something similar for machines and equipment in factories. There are 8 pillars of TPM to form the structural framework of the methodology. Each pillar addresses a distinct dimension of equipment and organizational performance. 8 pillars of TPM: P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, and P8, which are supporting TPM. P1, automated maintenance. P2, focused improvement. P3, planned maintenance. P4, quality management. P5, early equipment management. P6, training and education. P7, safety, health and environment. P8, TPM in administration. Let us see the role of each pillar in details. P1, automated maintenance. Operators are given the autonomy to perform routine maintenance and take responsibility for equipment care. Rather than relying entirely on a dedicated maintenance team for routine tasks, operators are trained and empowered to perform basic equipment care, including cleaning, lubricating, tightening fasteners, and conducting visual inspections as part of their daily work routine. P2, focused improvement. Under this pillar, maintenance tasks are planned using equipment history, manufacturer guidance, failure mode analysis, and real-time condition monitoring data. Continuous improvements are encouraged through small incremental modifications to processes and procedures. The goal is to perform the right maintenance at the right time, eliminating both unexpected failures and unnecessary over-maintenance. P3, planned maintenance. The planned maintenance schedule frequency is set based on predicted or previous breakdown or failure rates. Maintenance activities are scheduled using predictive analytics to optimize resource usage and minimize downtime. P4, quality management. Defect prevention measures are incorporated in production processes to ensure consistent quality. Rather than inspecting quality into finished goods, this pillar works upstreams, ensuring that machines are capable of producing to specification before defects occur. It establishes quality standards directly tied to equipment condition parameters. One request: If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and press the notification bell. P5. Early equipment management. Equipment is to be designed reliable and maintainable at the time of installation. Maintenance engineers and operators contribute their operational experience in the design of new equipment, making maintenance easier and enabling planned performance levels to be achieved soon after the adoption of the new equipment. P6. Training and education. Operators, managers and maintenance personnel are to be trained in TPM. The aim is to build a multi-skilled team where operators understand basic maintenance principles and technicians understand production quality requirements. P7. Safety, health and the environment. This pillar provides the framework including risk assessment, standardized work safety audits and near-miss reporting to achieve it. Safety and environmental sustainability are to be prioritized in all maintenance processes. P8. TPM in administration. Administrative inefficiencies such as long lead times for spare parts or slow work order processing directly impact equipment uptime and maintenance effectiveness. Administrative tasks are to be streamlined to maximize production efficiency and minimize delay. In adopting total productive maintenance TPM, we can get the following benefits. Some of the key benefits of TPM are: first benefit, increased equipment reliability. TPM focuses on proactive maintenance and equipment care, which improves equipment reliability. Addressing potential issues and performing regular maintenance activities, we can reduce breakdowns, unplanned downtimes and disruptions in production. Second benefit, better equipment availability. TPM makes sure our equipment is available for production by minimizing breakdowns and reducing setup times. This leads to increased effectiveness and allows us to consistently meet production targets. Third benefit, higher product quality. Since TPM focuses on quality maintenance, it ensures our equipment is in optimal condition to produce high quality products. Preventing defects and errors helps to improve our product quality and in turn customer satisfaction. Fourth benefit, improved overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. OEE is the metric that measures the utilization and performance of equipment. Through different TPM methods, we can enhance OEE by reducing downtime, improving cycle times and optimizing equipment efficiency. Fifth benefit, motivated workers. TPM promotes active participation and empowerment of workers by involving them in maintenance and offering training. This builds a sense of ownership and responsibility, enhancing a team-oriented and learning-focused work environment. Sixth benefit, cost savings. TPM helps reduce maintenance costs by focusing on preventive and predictive practices. It minimizes the need for costly repairs, emergency maintenance, and equipment replacement due to premature failures. Additionally, improved equipment efficiency reduces downtime, contributing to cost savings and increased profitability. Seventh benefit, safer workplace environment. Promoting regular equipment inspections, maintenance, and employee training helps identify and address potential safety hazards. It also creates a safer and healthier workplace environment for employees. Eighth benefit, continuous improvement culture. TPM fosters a culture of continuous improvement by engaging employees in problem-solving activities, encouraging innovative ideas, and promoting an ongoing learning and development mindset. Let us conclude. Total productive maintenance is far more than a maintenance program. It is a strategic manufacturing methodology that aligns people, processes, and equipment performance around the shared goal of operational excellence. By distributing equipment ownership across the workforce, targeting losses systematically through the 8 pillars, and measuring progress through OEE, TPM creates a self-reinforcing improvement culture that compounds in value over time. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video.